At NUU for Business, we specialize in delivering simple Android solutions customized to meet your unique business needs. It all starts with understanding your business goals. Whether you're tackling high device costs, limited customization options, or managing multiple vendors, we provide a tailored plan to simplify the process. Using proven models, we quickly transform your requirements into custom solutions, refining every detail to ensure it meets your needs while maintaining cost efficiency. Our team optimizes the operating system to seamlessly align with your business needs, whether through MDM solutions or AOSP builds. Trusted by Fortune 500 companies across sectors like healthcare, logistics, and retail, our devices go through rigorous testing and meet regulated certifications, ensuring reliability and precision. With high-quality components and strict production standards, we deliver devices you can trust. And even after deployment, we're here for you, with US-based technical support and over 2 years of security updates, keeping your devices running smoothly. For reliable, simplified, and cost-effective Android solutions, we are the partner you can trust. NUU for Business, Android Amplified, Solutions Simplified.